Okay, now we're going to do the negative stain, which is where we stain the background dark purple, and the bacteria are colorless. They repel the stain, and we're going to use bacillus. So, again, I'm going to make a circle where I'm going to put the bacteria. I'm going to sterilize my transfer loop. And then I've got bacillus. I'm going to reach down in there and get a whole bunch. Put it on the slide. And then sterilize. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take this dye called nigrosin, put some at one end of the slide, and then scrape it down the slide with another slide. We're trying to get a thin layer where the bacteria were. We're going to let this dry. We're going to look at it under the microscope. Okay, here are the bacteria at low power. Now, let's go up to the next highest power. Okay, now let's go all the way to the highest power and get these bacillus bacteria that are negatively stained in focus. Okay, here they are at the highest magnification. Look at how they're white, standing out against the black background, and they're stuck together. Some of them are smaller than others. So the bacteria are repelling the stain. Okay, I'm going to do a gram stain of the epithelial cells from the inside of my mouth and the associated bacteria. So I've got a clean slide, draw a little circle where I'm going to put the bacteria. I've got a transfer loop I'm going to sterilize, and then get a little drop of water. So I'm putting the drop of water on the slide. That's where I'm going to place the bacteria and my epithelial cells. So now I've got a sterile, individually wrapped toothpick. I'm just going to reach inside and gently get some of the epithelial cell mass plaque stuff from the base of a tooth. So, not very hard. Now, mix it in with that little droplet of water, and then do a gram stain, and we'll look at it under the microscope. Look at how cool this is. So this is the nucleus of my epithelial cell, which is pink, and all these little purple dots and dashes are bacteria. I know, pretty nasty, right? You're never going to want to kiss anybody ever again. So these bacteria are normal in the mouth. There's hundreds of species and billions of cells at any time in your mouth. Look at how small the bacteria are compared to this big eukaryotic cell. You could fit thousands of these on one eukaryotic cell.